Are you a landlord overwhelmed by the demands of managing your rental property? Today, we're exploring the ways a professional property management company can transform your real estate investing experience. Let's dive into the key benefits of hiring a property management company and how it can lead to peace of mind and maximized rental income. Number one, alleviating the day-to-day management burdens. Property managers take the weight of daily tasks off your shoulders. From tenant screening to maintenance and rent collection, they handle it all, freeing you to focus on other priorities. This can't be emphasized enough, whether you're a full-time real estate investor or a highly paid professional that is just putting your money to work. You want to be spending your time on activities that have the highest ROI. And I promise property management is not one of them. These should be things like finding new properties to purchase, finding new sources of deal flow, sourcing debt or equity, and other high ROI tasks. Now, number two, enhancing tenant selection and retention. Good tenant selection is crucial. Property managers are skilled in finding reliable tenants who care for your property and pay their rent on time, reducing turnover and associated costs. Now, typically these are your biggest expenses, and reducing that tenant turnover is going to be crucial to keeping those expenses down. The goal here is to reduce tenant turnover by finding a highly qualified tenant who pays their rent, takes care of the property. In turn, we do our best to take care of that particular tenant and keep them in the property as long as possible. Number three, streamlining rent collection and accounting. No one likes to chase tenants for rent, but as they say, the squeaky wheel gets greased. A good property manager will stay on top of late rent and make sure it's paid in full and the tenant catches up. Between rent, utilities, maintenance, and repairs, there's a ton of bookkeeping involved in property management. Your property management company will take care of all of this and make sure your books are squeaky clean, giving you clear insights into your real estate investment. Number four, efficient maintenance services. Now, the number one reason tenants move is slow or ineffective maintenance. So timely maintenance done right the first time is key to protecting your investment. A lot of property management companies have in-house maintenance and a network of trusted contractors, ensuring quick and professional repairs. Number five, navigating legal compliance. Dealing with the legalities of rental properties can be daunting, especially if you're in a super tenant-friendly place like Chicago. Property managers stay on top of new laws and regulations, ensuring your property complies, and therefore it reduces your liability. Number six, peace of mind and reduced stress. In my opinion, probably the greatest benefit of working with a high-quality property manager is the peace of mind that comes with it. Now, this just about sums up all the above points, but with a great property manager, you can relax knowing your property is in capable hands and is generating income. Remember, property management isn't for everyone. If you enjoy hands-on management, self-management might be for you. But for those seeking ease and efficiency, professional property management is definitely the way to go. Choose wisely though. Not all property management companies are equal. Do your homework, read reviews, and ensure that particular company aligns with your needs. All right, I hope this helped. If you have any questions about real estate investing or how we can help make your next real estate investment a home run, consider us at Landmark Property Management a resource. We're always happy to help. Feel free to check us out on our website at chicagospropertymanagement.com. That's Chicago's with an S, chicagospropertymanagement.com, or give us a call.